Hey TechKnowStuds, and when I say studs, I mean both students and you're awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. Now in this module, we're gonna get into WAN links and some of the configurations around those WAN links. When we're talking about WAN links, it's very different technology than Ethernet. And there are some extra settings that we have to configure and do so that way we can set up point-to-point protocol or HDLC. So let's go over what those configurations look like and how to set it up in this module. We'll kick things off by talking about HDLC and point-to-point protocol. These are two similar protocols that we can use across many types of WAN links. So we'll talk about how we can configure those, and then I'll do a demo. We'll get into WAN links and do some of the configuration across our network so we have some communication across our network. And then I'm gonna talk about SSH hopping. I think it's important to note that we're not going to have a fully functioning network at the end of this module. That is, we're gonna learn how to configure the interfaces so we have communication between these devices. And we're gonna do that across our network. However, we're not going to have end-to-end connectivity where we can communicate back and forth across here because we're still not going to tackle routing yet. We still need to figure out how routing operates on these different routers, and we'll do that in a different module. But I am going to show you a little bit of a cheat way that you can actually access the other network via SSH hopping. It's not going to be the same as end-to-end connectivity, although we're going to get into how we can make connection to these different devices even though we don't have routing completely set up.